I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to unbox our latest iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here is our new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we are going to unbox this. Let's peel it from up. Also from bottom. So just have a quick look. What comes in the box is Type-C lightning cable, and as usual we have manual also here, and it was said that there was a eSIM, but we have SIM port jack, SIM physical SIM jack, and it also supports the eSIM. So here is the pin for SIM, and it's manual, user manual, and sticker. Okay, so this is my first iPhone latest, so which I am going to use. इससे पहले मैं Android and iPhone 6 and up to 7 तक जोन सा है यूज़ कर चुका हूँ, but this is my first time I'm going to use this latest version, latest device, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's peel up. So here we have one power button and lightning jack for charging, and here is for silent button, and this side there is a volume buttons and physical SIM jack. So that's the back side. It's a gold color, and if we see the camera, if we talk about the specification of this, so I have it in 1 terabyte capacity of storage, and it has embedded to more speakers as they had in previous ones. डायमेंशन की बात करें अगर कैमरे की, तो जो कैमरे का डायमेंशन है प्रीवियस मॉडल्स के मुकाबले में ये इस बार ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ कर दिया इन्होंने इसका डायमेंशन. और let's turn it on now. Okay, so let's set up English and select your country, United Kingdom, and set up manually. Okay, so first we need to select Wi-Fi. I'm very excited, so I will just personalize these settings, and then I will share my experience how it feels when you use the latest iPhone. Yeah, in my next video. See ya.